Look, most law firms aren't losing clients because of bad legal work. They're going to lose them by looking unprofessional in communications and admin. A client is working with your team, while multiple email threads, missing documents, and confusion over who already sent what are creating delays and miscommunication. Not because your team is bad, because the system behind it is. And the worst part is, none of it feels like a legal problem, but it's the exact reason clients quietly don't come back. So I went looking for a real fix. Not another contact list or folder system, but something that actually makes your firm feel organized from the first interaction to the final invoice. And after testing a range of platforms, I narrowed it down to 3 worth your time. Now, before we dive in, a huge thanks to Assembly for sponsoring today's video. I've included an affiliate link in the description. Using it earns us a commission and helps the channel, which is genuinely appreciated. Now, I'm going to start with the one that I actually recommend, Assembly. Then walk you through 2 strong competitors so you can figure out which one fits your firm specifically. So again, first up is Assembly, and there's a reason I put it at the top. So when I first came across it, I'll be honest, I almost skipped it entirely. It's not built exclusively for law firms. It was built for professional service businesses broadly, like legal, accounting, consulting, and that usually means it's going to be average at everything and great at nothing. But what changed my mind is that Assembly wasn't trying to be legal software. It was just trying to solve how client relationships actually work. And for law firms, that distinction ends up mattering more than you're going to think. Now, the moment it clicked for me was when I set up what they call chain reaction automation. Before that, every new client meant repeating the same process, creating folders, copying engagement letters, and checking whether someone had already sent them. Fine once or twice, but a mess during a busy week. Now with Assembly, the moment you invite a user to your portal, the entire sequence runs automatically. The form gets sent, the engagement letter goes out, the folders are set up without anyone on the team needing to remember a thing. That one automation completely changed what Monday mornings felt like. The portal itself is worth slowing down on. It's white labeled, meaning your clients aren't logging into Assembly. They're logging into your firm's space, your domain, your colors, your name at the top. Everything lives there. Documents, contracts, invoices, messages, tasks. No more, I didn't get the email, or which link was it again? One place every single time. And there's something that happens when a client logs in for the first time and it actually looks that clean and organized. Before you've said a word about their matter, they've already decided that you have your act together. In this profession, that moment is worth a lot. Now for integrations, it does connect with QuickBooks and Xero on the internal accounting side, and you can embed tools like Calendly, Airtable, and Looker Studio directly inside the portal if those are already part of how you work. Nothing lives outside the system. Now pricing, the starter plan is $59 per month billed monthly, or $39 if you go annual. That gets you 1 internal user, up to 50 clients, and 100 automation runs a month. Plenty if you are a solo or a small practice just getting started. The professional plan is $189 monthly or $150 annually, and that's where you get custom domains, Zapier and Make integrations, API access, and capacity for up to 500 clients. And for most small to mid-sized firms, that's where you're going to land. There's also an advanced tier for $500 a month for firms that need HIPAA compliance, unlimited clients, and deep security controls. And depending on your practice area, that's not optional. It's just the cost of doing it right. Is it the cheapest on the list? No. But here's the question that I'm going to ask. What is manual onboarding costing you right now? Your hourly rate. Multiplied by every intake email you're resending, every folder you are manually creating, every follow-up you're doing because a step got missed. When I added that up, honestly, Assembly wasn't as expensive. It was the most obvious hire that I've made in years. I've put an affiliate link in the description for a 14-day free trial. It earns us a commission, and it does help the channel. All right, now let's talk about Filevine. It was built specifically for law firms from the ground up, not a general tool nudge towards legal, not a CRM that added a document tab. It's built for legal work, and what it does better than almost anything else in this space is internal case organization. The entire system is structured around the matter. Every note, document, deadline, task, and communication lives inside the case file. If you've ever had 4 people working the same file and someone asks, "Where did you save the deposition summary?" And the answer is a 10-minute search through a shared drive. You understand immediately why that structure matters, but here's where it gets honest. Everything I just described, that's your team's experience, But the client's experience, completely different story. The portal exists, clients can access documents and send messages through it, but multiple users across review platforms describe it the same way. A tool built for your internal team that clients happen to have a window into. There's no white labeling in the same way Assembly does it. Clients know they are in a third-party system. The onboarding sequence doesn't fire automatically the moment someone signs. That kind of hands-free client experience, it just isn't what Filevine was designed around. If your firm competes partly on how professional and organized it feels to work with you, well, that gap shows. Now, the other thing worth knowing, and this comes up consistently, not just in one review, is customer support. Multiple users describe the same pattern. Something breaks, you send an email, and nothing comes back for days. One firm owner said they've been billed for canceled modules for 2 years and couldn't get a single response. When your whole operation runs on a platform, that's not a minor frustration. Pricing is quote-based, starts at around $65 per user per month, and the modules stack quickly. Go in with a specific list of what you need before that sales conversation starts. Now next is MyCase, and this sits in a different part of this market entirely, and it genuinely earns its place there for a specific type of firm at a specific stage. What it does well is getting a small practice organized fast. The setup is straightforward, the interface is clean, and new staff figure it out without a long onboarding process. And that's actually the most common starting point for small firms. Not broken, just held together with email threads and good intentions. That's the real value here. It's the step up from no system at all. And for a lot of small firms, that step is the most important one. The client portal handles the basics. Clients can access documents, sign things, make payments, and message your team without calling the office. And for a small firm, that one thing, clients being able to find their own documents without calling you, well, it quietly buys back more time than most people actually expect. Now compare the client experience in MyCase to what Assembly gives you, and the gap is real. There's no white labeled portal with your domain and your branding at the top. Clients can tell that they are in someone else's software, and when a new client signs, someone on your team still has to manually kick off the onboarding steps. There's no chain reaction equivalent, no sequence that fires automatically before you've even looked at your phone. For a solo attorney just getting started, all right, maybe that's fine. The moment you're signing multiple clients a week, you're going to feel exactly where the ceiling is. The automation is limited, the branding is basic, and a few long-term users have flagged that pricing climbs once the introductory rate expires, and that leaving once your case history is built up inside the system, it's not a simple process. Standard plan is around $49 per user per month, billed annually, accessible for a small firm, a real upgrade from chaos. Just go in knowing what you are buying and where it stops. So here's where I land after going through all of this. Filevine is a capable tool if your firm is litigation heavy and internal case coordination is the specific thing falling apart. But your clients will feel the difference. The portal is functional, just not impressive. And when something does go wrong with the platform, and at some point something always does, the support experience is a genuine risk you're taking on. In MyCase is a real upgrade from running a firm on email and hope. If you're solo or 2 people and your most urgent need is just getting organized, well, it's going to get you there, but you're going to hit its ceiling faster than you are going to expect. And by the time that you're ready to move on, your data is already deep inside a system that doesn't make leaving easy. Assembly is the one that I keep coming back to, and the reason isn't that it has the longest feature list, it doesn't. The reason is that it's the only tool on this list that makes your firm look and feel like a premium operation from the very first moment a client interacts with it. The portal is yours, your name, your domain, your brand. The onboarding runs itself. The client who signs on a Friday evening has their engagement letter, their intake form, and access to their portal before anyone on your team shows up Monday morning. That's not a small thing. Most tools organize your work. Assembly organizes how your client experiences your firm. And in law, where almost every new client comes from a referral, where trust is built or lost in the first 2 weeks of working together, well, that feeling is everything. Assembly is a tool that creates it consistently without depending on your team having a perfect week. Big thanks again to Assembly for making this possible. The 14-day free trial affiliate link is in the description. It earns us a commission and helps the channel. And if this helped, like the video, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.